Let's make a simple, easy tomato and artichoke, canned artichoke hard salad. I'm using just this, a balsamic glaze only, a little salt and pepper, very simple. The only dilemma is what to put it in when you're done. As it builds up in size, a flat platter like this, or something round like this. So I'm going to cut everything up, and we'll see what we get. The romaine, see if we can just line this with the romaine lettuce around, okay? That should be good. And then we're going to cut the tomato, artichoke, put it in a bowl, toss it with the, and then we'll place it in there. Okay, wash the tomatoes. Let's cut the onion first, since there's going to be a lot of juice on the table from the tomato. And we're going to cut the onion as fine or julienne as you can, so it clings to everything. And a nice sharp knife, and just like so. As far as measuring this, you do this by eye. That should be about enough for that. The tomato, take this out. And then cut the tomato, that's in half, in 4 pieces. Cut all the tomato like that. Take the artichoke heart, cut that in quarters also. That in there, put everything in there, and the onions, and then we're gonna put the glaze and toss it, and a little salt and pepper mix. Everything gets a little salt and pepper. When you're doing the artichoke, the reason why they're in the colander, I put them in there a couple hours so the liquid drains out. Or you cut them in half, place them on a towel like so, and then later on finish cutting them up, because they hold a lot of water, and you don't want all that water in the salad. Now I'm changing something. You don't want to take spoons and start mixing this and breaking up the artichoke. So if you put it in a larger bowl, which I should have done in the beginning, like so, we're going to flip this a few times and then we're done. So we just take the glaze. You can use balsamic vinegar and olive oil, but the thing with this glaze, see, it's thick. And you just put, and that should do it. And then we just now I'm going to change up on what I was going to place it in, because I see the volume, what I have here, and it's quite a bit, and I'd rather see the salad than bury it into there. So now I'm going to put the lettuce around there. Well, the presentation will look nicer in there. And just take a nice big spoon so you don't break anything up, and just place everything right there in the middle. Let it just flow And if you use a slotted spoon, you won't have as much dressing on the platter. Let's say you're having 6 people over, or you're having a little buffet, and you want to just put out this as one of the items. There you go. Simple, easy, no cooking, no figuring out how to make a dressing if you use the glaze. And to top it off, we'll just put some scallions cut on a bias, like so, nice and thin. Sprinkle on top. Or you can use chopped parsley, but I like the scallions because they have a taste, and to me they dress it up a little bit more. And that's it. Nice, easy, simple. Go closer, closer, and there you have a nice tomato artichoke salad. Not fresh artichokes, that's a lot of work, but it's worth it. But people accept canned artichokes. I hope you enjoy this. Now you just wrap it up, and I'm gonna have this later with our dinner. We won't eat everything, but we'll eat quite a bit.